Do you guys ever sneeze and fart at the same time? What the hell is that? Like, you'll be walking along in public and you'll feel a sneeze coming on. It's totally fine to sneeze in public and you'll just be like... Which, by the way, that feeling, that flux that your body's in between sneezing and not, that's like my own personal hell, you know, where you're like... and then you have some douchebag friend who's like, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. And you're like, I didn't sneeze! You asshole. But then right at the last second, something in your whole body goes horribly wrong. And you just freeze, you know? Start checking yourself for holes. Your body just rebooted. You know, the sneeze fart is like God's Control-Alt-Delete. Reset the body.